Thanksgiving at the Hermit house. Here we have a big pan of our oyster dressing, our homemade mushroom gravy, homemade rolls. Here's our turkey cooked in our roaster, green bean casserole, ham glazed with our pepper jelly that we made here, mashed potatoes with some homegrown green onions chopped up in them. And here we have our china that comes out twice a year. Unless somebody dies, then it'll be 3 times.
Leave it right there.
Okay, girls. Let's hear it.
You can get anything you want at Alice's Restaurant. You can get anything you want at Alice's